Today I'm going to show you how to get many labels using Trello in N8N, step by step. If you're building automations in N8N and need to pull a list of labels from Trello, this is a quick and simple setup that can save you time and keep your workflow organized. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy N8N and automation tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This is the workflow where you want to use Trello data, so make sure you're editing the correct one before adding anything new. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel on the right side and search for Trello. Select the Trello node from the list to add it to your workflow. After the node is added, you'll see the available operations in the Settings panel. From there, choose Get Many Labels. This is the option that lets N8N retrieve multiple labels from your Trello account instead of just a single one. Next, choose the credential you want to use. This is the account connection that gives N8N access to Trello, so select the right credential for the board or workspace you need. If you already have one saved, just pick it from the dropdown. If not, you may need to create or connect a new one before continuing. After that, configure what to create. This is where you define the setup for the labels you want to work with inside your workflow. Make sure the configuration matches your goals so the node can return the label data correctly. Once everything is set, your Trello node is ready to pull many labels into N8N. From there, you can connect it to the next node in your automation and continue building your workflow. So in just a few clicks, you've opened the workflow, added the Trello node, selected Get Many Labels, chosen your credential, and configured what to create. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple automation walkthroughs.